That person just spit out of the window like this. Unimaginable, man. এখন কোভিডের সময় বাইরে এরকম করে ফেলছো তুমি থুতু? Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Prasun Banerjee and you are watching Automania. First of all, wish you a very happy new year 2022. Today is 1st of Jan, the first day of the year, of this all new year guys. So I wish कि नए साल में आपको सारे ड्रीम्स पूरे हो जाए, आपके टारगेट्स आर अचीव्ड एंड आप लोग बहुत 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 खुशी मिले आप लोग सबको इस नए साल में. एंड ऑटोमेनिया की तरफ से आपको आप सब लोगों को टू ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ यू सपोर्टेड मी ऑफ बीइंग विथ मी विथ माय जर्नी इन दिस जर्नी. आई विश यू ऑल अ वेरी हैप्पी न्यू ईयर एंड आई एम वेरी श्योर इन द अपकमिंग ईयर हम लोगों की फैमिली और बढ़ेगी एंड हम लोग एक साथ बढ़ेंगे एंड विल बी together in this wonderful journey with Automania. Well guys, this is Prasun Banerjee, you are watching Automania, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel for exclusive automotive updates. And yes, don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get the updates instantly. Oh god, तेवर देखा भैया का एक तो रॉन्ग साइड, ऊपर से एटीट्यूड गाड़ी में. Whatever, वड्डे लोग वड्डी बात है, मेरा क्या. Anyways guys, 2021 has been a mixed year for me, and the only good thing happening this year, the only good thing, I'll say you again, the only good thing that happened to me this year was Automania. Yes guys, Automania is the only good thing and a life-changing thing that happened to me in 2021. This idea was said to me by a friend of mine. Why don't you vlog? You can speak. You are planning to buy a action camera, then just vlog and post it. So that's how it all started. And I had no plans 2 days prior to that I'll be vlogging. So it all started with a cup of coffee, and this is where we are together. Now we are dreaming big. We are dreaming, and we are working hard to make this channel grow even bigger and bigger every day, and we're sure in this coming year we'll be doing that. And last year there have been many things which I thought should have happened, could have happened in other aspects of my life, but things didn't fall into place exactly about what I wanted. So things didn't go right in most of the places, actually most of the places, not one thing, in most of the places. So many things fell apart miserably actually, but still that is life. Life is a ride of ups and downs. So something bad happened, but Automania came up as the ray of hope in my life. So life से ऐसा ही होता है. So we don't give up, we fight. We are a fighter, we are warriors guys. We fight, we don't give up. And one second, okay. So it all started with the first vlog, if you remember. So here is a clip of the first vlog. Good morning, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Prasun Banerjee and you are watching one and only Automania. Yeah guys, it's one-stop solution for all your automotive queries, bike queries and car queries. ये चैनल जो होने वाला है एक बहुत नया चैनल है, ये मेरा फर्स्ट वीडियो है. This video Yes guys, that was the first vlog. That is how I made my first ever vlogging, first ever camera appearance. That was a very special moment indeed for me guys. The next moment came with my top speed, if you remember, with the Daytona 675R and my BlackBerry. Here's the shot. Brilliant, the Brembos, my goodness, the Brembos are brilliant, absolute amazing bike. 130 kph and 181 kph. That was freakingly fast. What an experience that was. What an experience. And if I say you that about the next big experience which I had, because I had made almost 90 vlogs, so it's very, and I did have very good moments and bad moments and depressing moments, joyous moments, many things. And as I'm in front of Vision Honda Durgapur, that brings me to my next moment. That is the most viewed video in my channel. That is a review of the Honda CB200X. Yes, we did cross 10,000 views on that first video in our channel in Automania, to cross 10,000 views, and I can't thank everyone enough for the kind love and support you have been showering on me. 10,000 views, guys. Yes, I know it will be going lakhs, millions in future. I'm very sure about it. I'm very confident about my channel, about our work. But it's a good start. I'm very happy about the progress. So here's the clip of that video, Honda CB200X. What I feel is, when you are taking this motorcycle for longer rides, you will be definitely so much comfortable, including a pillion rider, and the pillion seat is also wide, broad, so the rider will be really comfortable if you are going for longer rides. But what about the ergonomics? Guys, it's the best. It's one of the best in the class. I have no questions at all with the reliability of Honda, and with the the way the Honda vehicle rides, the smoothness. The engine is so smooth. It's pinpoint perfect, guys. The fueling is done just right, and I thank Honda, the way they have done with the engine. But a bit of more torque would have been icing on the cake. So that's a big... Well, that was Honda CB200X getting 10,000 views. And my next favorite moment in this journey of 5 to 6 months in Automania is the moment with Durgapur Throttlers, when we had our anniversary. Yes. Yes, guys, that was a Durgapur Throttlers. Oh my god, did you just see that person just spit out of the window like this? Unimaginable, man. ফেলছো, এটা গায়ে পড়তো গো, ওটা গায়ে পড়তো, এটা গায়ে পড়তো। এখন কোভিডের সময় বাইরে এরকম করে ফেলছো তুমি? থুতু কান্দচ্ছ এখন? What nonsense. See, spitting out of the window. And he was just a kid. He was a young kid, and I'm very sure below 18, and having gutka. Anyways, I don't know, but it was so yuck, man. That too in times of COVID, spitting outside like this, which is strictly banned. Okay, after Durgapur Throttlers, another moment which I really cherished, guys, is the moment when Automania was called up on stage by Bajaj Auto, Banerjee Bajaj Durgapur, as a chief guest with the launch of the Pulsar F250 and the N250. That was so special, guys.
এরপর অবশ্যই আমি আরো একজনকে ডেকে নেব, যার কিছু ইম্পর্টেন্ট রায় এবং এক্সপিরিয়েন্স আমাদের সঙ্গে তিনি শেয়ার করবেন। আমি কথা বলছি আমাদের চিফ গেস্ট মিস্টার প্রসূন ব্যানার্জি, ব্লগার। ওনার জন্য আমার জোরে হাততালি হবে এবং উনি অ্যাসোসিয়েটেড বাই অটোমেনিয়া। চলুন স্যার, থ্যাংক ইউ।
Thank you everyone, and good evening, good afternoon. Guys, everything in life is not counted by money. Yes, I know the world is like that. People will judge you and count you on how much cash you made. But you know what? Fuck that. You are not going to take a single penny when you leave the planet, this beautiful world. It's all the love, it's all the respect, it's all the knowledge that you will carry along with you. You won't be carrying a single penny. So fuck them. People who just keep on blabber about bank balance and all. Yeah, it's a materialistic thing, man. Today I've got GT 650. Tomorrow I can have CVR 650R, CVR 650F, ZX 10R. Who knows, man? Money, it will come and go, guys. But what will stay with you is the respect. What will stay with you as a biker is a rider in your heart, not a motorcycle. A motorcycle can be getting seized tomorrow. It might be getting seized by poor cops because of some mistakes which you did. It might be having some problem issues. You might change it or upgrade it or degrade it, whatever. But what will remain is the person in you, the rider in you, the respect you've earned in this world. So that is a very important thing. And guys, the love and respect which Banerjee Bajaj gave me, showered upon me, that was so nice of them. I was so touched. Anyway, these were the few moments which were the best in these past few months. And here the channel is only 5 months old. We are a very new channel, and the good news is we are heading towards 1K subscribers. That's a really good thing, and I'm sure we'll be growing together to 10K, 100K, million. All I can say is that I can assure you that we'll be bringing on quality videos in the future. We'll be upgrading our all the equipments which we have. We are all upgrading it every day almost. So we'll be doing that even further in the future. We can see triple carrying people without helmets and in wrong side. Yes, as I was saying, we assure you with the quality videos and in future as well. And all you need to do is subscribe to the channel if you're watching the video, and share the video with your friends, because we're really working hard, guys. All we need is your support. That's it. Because I'm very sure that we can grow the family together. And yes, in this coming year I have a target in this mind about our channel, about this family, which I shall not reveal. I have it in my mind, and we'll see if we can do that, if we can achieve it next year. I'm very sure we can do that. Well guys, it's New Year. Wishing you a very happy New Year once again to you and your family, and to all your loved ones and all the people who are watching this video right now. Well, may this year be prosperous as ever and brings all the happiness in the world to you. Guys, on that beautiful note, it's time to wrap up this episode of Automania. This was the first episode of year 2022. Next is where we are going up into Revolution 2022 in Kolkata, and I will see you there. Well, and the video will be posted within a day or two after that event. The event is on 2nd of January. That event will come up in this channel, and do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, don't forget to press the bell notification so that you get update immediately after we upload any kind of video. That's enough for the first episode of 2022. See you later. Ta-da!